You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead.
Stevie.
You're dead.
Stevie!
Yes.
Stevie, tourniquet me! Stevie, tourniquet me!
Hey guys, it's Airsoft Steve, and today I'm here at Flightacres Farm in Parker, Colorado for their summer kickoff barbecue. In this game, we're playing Trouble in Terrorist Town, and I'm armed with nothing but my gun and a fidget spinner. I obviously get a couple kills, and it's quite a bit of fun to watch since my teammates get so triggered, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Chill.
Okay.
Jack, come here.
You're my hostage.
Oh,
okay, this is the interrogation. This is the interrogation, okay?
Okay.
Are you a
What's
terrorist?
your favorite color?
Are you sure? What's your favorite color?
It's red.
That checks out. What's your favorite condom?
What?
What's your favorite brand of condom?
Bang down.
That's a lie. You're dead. Wait, hold on. I need to get a thumbnail for this. You're not actually dead. I just want to okay. Be turning your head around. Be turning your head around. Be like, oh, look weird.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh no.
What? Okay, what's your favorite food?
I'm just kidding.
We have to go find the box.
No!
Back here, because we have sketchy eyes right now.
You're good, dude.
I feel like odds are that one of that guy is dead.
Yeah.
So I have a shitty gun if that helps. Whoa, guys.
Is that a quarter pointer?
Whoa, okay, Jag. Whoa, Jaggy.
I have a real one. Well, yes, but Gavin, you can't actually stop people with that. Yeah, but I want to. Yes,
Okay,
I'm not crazy.
Alright, hey, let's spread out a bit.
You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. You're dead.
Stevie!
Yes.
Stevie, tourniquet me! Stevie, tourniquet me!
Hit! Terrorist down! Tourniquet me! Tourniquet me! Tourniquet! Tourniquet!
He's dead twice, he can't be tourniquet!
Tourniquet!
Can you tourniquet me?
Tourniquet! Look at my carnage! Look at my fidget spinner carnage!
We can't be tourniqueted.
I was not aware you could actually kill with the fidget spinner.
I got 2 words.
Fuck you.
I killed him with a fidget spinner! I killed all of them with a fidget spinner!
It's a weapon of... I don't think...
It's only a little bit autistic.
Only a little.
That's very autistic.
Yo, can we use tourniquets?
Yeah.
You're dead?
Yeah. Anyone have a tourniquet?
Give me the fidget spinner.
No, Jimmy.
I have
Jimmy, I swear to God, I'll kill you. Ah, shut my hand.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yes. Kill it. Kill it.
Hey, guys better pick that up, okay?
That sounds good.
That was amazing. Yes, Jimmy, yes.
That was so autistic. And you broke your fidget spinner. That was the worst life.
I want to be like you.